In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Notebooklm. Google Notebooklm is a powerful tool designed to help you organize your notes and sources efficiently while leveraging AI-generated insights to enhance your productivity. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or simply someone looking to streamline your note-taking process, Notebooklm can be a valuable asset. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to notebooklm.google.com. This is your starting point and where you'll manage all your projects. Once you're there, you can easily access all the features we're about to explore. Bookmarking this page will save you time on future visits, so I highly recommend doing that. Now, with the site open, you'll need to create a new notebook. Think of this as your digital binder, where all your notes, sources, and insights will be neatly organized. Click on the Create a Notebook button and give your notebook a title that reflects the purpose or subject of your project. This will help you keep track of it among other notebooks you might create later on. You've got your notebook set up, so it's time to add your sources. Whether it's articles, documents, or research papers, simply upload these files directly into your notebook. This step is crucial because it lays the foundation for everything else. When you add sources, you're essentially feeding Notebooklm the material it will analyze and summarize. So make sure all relevant resources are included. Once your sources are in place, the next exciting step involves letting Google Notebooklm generate an AI overview. This innovative feature will draw from your uploaded materials to provide you with concise summaries and key takeaways. Notebooklm uses advanced AI algorithms to ensure the information you receive is both comprehensive and accurate. It's perfect for those who might not have the time to read through all the material in detail. With an overview at your fingertips, don't hesitate to ask questions directly related to your content. This interactive capability allows you to delve deeper into specific topics or clarify any uncertainties you might have. Think of it as having a research assistant ready to fetch the answers you need precisely when you need them. As you work within Notebooklm, remember to utilize the sidebar feature for multitasking. It's designed to help you manage your workflow efficiently, allowing you to switch between different sections or tasks without interrupting your focus. Keeping this tool in mind will make your experience much smoother. At any point, feel free to manually edit your notes. The flexibility in Notebooklm means you're not locked into just one way of doing things. Personalize your notes to better suit your needs and make them as detailed or as brief as you prefer. And finally, when you're satisfied with your notes and insights, it's time to export your results. This function allows you to save your work in a format that suits your preferred method of sharing or storing information. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to make the most of Google Notebooklm and enhance your productivity significantly. Thanks for tuning in and happy note-taking.